let's say that, you convert your own clothing and then you complete it, but what you don't notice is that you'll get sorry, let me get my English right, a shadowing pattern, as you can tell where it's not supposed to be at. Well, the reason why it's like that is because I used the original outfit to replace this dress that I converted. I also did a video of turning into this dress to child from adult clothing. You can actually make this, you can make a adult clothing to child, which you will see that soon. I have not posted yet, but right now I want to show you of how to solve the problem. If you guys don't know how to figure it out, if you guys having trouble on why this is showing on this outfit that's not supposed to be there, well, it took me a while to figure it out, and I have now solved the problem. So after you're done converting, you gotta go to TRS workshop, where you do your finishing touch, finishing result, but you need to look closely on what you need to remove or what to replace before you put it in the game, or else you'll have this. So let's go to the TSR workshop. Okay, now I'm at the TSR workshop. So I save it as backup in case something goes on. I always do that. So as I can turn or look closely, yeah, you can see that little shine of the ribbon and the gold fabric, whatever that is. I used a royal dress where a sim child pretends to be a princess. Well, that's the dress I was using. So what I was missing, what we're missing, is that when you of course when you do everything, like placing all the fabrics, things like that, you think you have to finish these and then you're done. But what we missed is that you gotta go to mesh and then click on the one of these where you place the your work that you already done, and then you have where it says, you can see it says material. You click here where there's three dots, sorry. And here you can see these are the old patterns that are still left in this dress. And that is what's causing it to show the mark, and showing the shattering or the shine on the dress. So what you gotta do, click on it, and you gotta use your multiplier or your diffuse map. I still have the diffuse map. Of course, like I said before, I copy everything and make sure, if things go wrong. So you gotta find the multiplier or default. I go for default because you can rename it whatever you want. Click OK, then click done, and there's normal map here. You if you don't have the things that you need, if you don't have normal mats, there's a woman who does convert clothing. She will have everything down below, and I'll link it in my video so you can go to her channel, and also you can download the things you need if you guys don't have things to prepare. So, okay. So in normal map, you can definitely see clearly there's the ribbon and there's probably the whole dress, and that could be why in her chest it was showing it shine. So we have to put normal map on there. Also, is it in here? No, it's not. If it's not in there, just press input to to put it in there. So give me a sec. Gotta find normal map. Here it is. And then you can see it's totally gone. Click done. Okay, now for sculpture or space. I can't really pronounce what it says, but you can definitely read it. You also have to take that out, but also you gotta place a whatever that is called. It's like black, but you gotta have this folder that you have to use to place it. And then that should be done with. And as you can see, the shine that was on her chest is completely gone, and so is the pattern that was around the dress in the bottom. So that should already fixed it, which as you can see, it's totally gone. Be sure to do the rest as well before you I hate when it does that. Whenever I saved, it comes with an error save. Whenever I try to use it, it crashes a lot. I don't know what the deal is. So after you're done with that, re-export and make a new file this time when you're satisfied with with the flaws that are not in the skin or the dress. So I'm gonna export real quick, and then I'll put the game back on, and then I'll show you how it looks like in the game. And boom! Now you have your perfect outfit that has no marked flaws, and I'm totally proud of it. Thank God that I don't have to worry about it at all. So hopefully that helped you guys. So thank you guys for watching, and if you have any questions, do send me a comment. And if I don't understand your questions, things like that, do not worry, I'll understand it. It's just my brain will process at at your questions, things like that, but I always solve the problem by answering your questions. So thank you guys for watching, and the dress that I converted, you will see it on YouTube soon, so do stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in the next video.